Good morning, my dear friend.
Good morning. Good morning.
While it's been a while, and I know you did come on Friday with the group Shukrana. That was wonderful. So it was so nice of you today to come alone and sing
Thank
some beautiful
you.
songs. I know you love to sing, and we see each other once. काफी दिन हो गए मिले भी नहीं है, but at least Zoom में तो मिल सकते हैं. And I want to welcome my friends who are all watching us. Let me see who they are. But thank you so much for joining, and we're going to have a wonderful, wonderful 1 hour today with Poonam, and she has a beautiful songs all lined up for us, which I think all of you have heard many times, but it's good to hear them again. जो पुराने वाले गाने होते हैं उसमें मजा ही कुछ और होता है.
और कुछ
You've seen the movies, you've seen the who the actors were, and then you have become their fans, and you like to see what they did, what kind of.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
तो उसमें डबल मजा आता है. That's what I think. And so today, Poonam, I know you just came back from a wonderful trip. You went to celebrate. I mean, you went to for your son's wedding.
Yes, I did. Thank you.
So वहाँ पे क्या कौन से फंक्शन हुए क्या कितने a lot of people came and what did you do?
We had a good turnout considering it was a destination wedding. क्योंकि destination weddings में you expect less than normal people to come, which is okay. Everybody has, obligations. But we had a good time. Important is कि बच्चे खुश हैं. The Paches wanted a beach wedding, and we had all the functions. We had the welcome dinner. We had a Spanish night where people were on the roof terrace. I had a guitarist, a Spanish guitarist who only played Spanish songs, and all these Indian people were dancing because he played those songs that made people move. Language is not a barrier.
No,
It's not.
I agree.
Yeah. And I was shocked, not knowing a single word of Spanish. These people were like, it's the beat. It's the beat, right?
You're right.
Yeah. And then, of course, the other functions were totally desi. We had Sangeet, and we had Mendi, and then we had reception. And that was it. And 3 days of celebrations, and we all came back. That was a thank you to all the people who actually came and people who engaged here with me, because I had a Mata Ki Chauki here. So thanks to those people who couldn't come, they turned out for that, gave their blessings, and thank you to everybody.
That was so
And
nice.
to Mata Rani for everything, for keeping blessing on everything that was happening.
So that was yes, I remember going to that one. Yes, the Mata Rani. That was really wonderful. We had a good time, and I met everybody there. I met all your family.
Yeah.
Kids and everybody, they were playing and they were enjoying. So it was a wonderful, wonderful, very well done. It was really nice, and I love those. When they sing, बड़ा मजा आता है.
बेटे माता की बेटे. Yeah.
Really, really wonderful, wonderful to hear that. Yeah, I remember like you saying about the Spanish.
Yeah.
My oldest daughter, when she got married,
Mm-hmm.
her husband or my son-in-law, he's half Jewish, half Spanish background.
Right.
So then that's what we had, the same thing, mariachi band and all, and they had all this Spanish.
Wow.
They had that, the welcome when everybody was coming in.
So nice.
There are two weddings. I mean, basically, गुरुद्वारे में भी हुई थी. Of course, court में तो करनी पड़ती है.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you have to do that. And then they had a ceremony in the Gurdwara, and then they also had the Jewish ceremony, which was at the reception. So
Wow. Yeah. That's wonderful.
I came there, and then that time they had that music. So I know how it is. Everybody loved it. Something different, but you know what? It's also like you said, हमारे beat मिलती है. Like when you want to dance, it could be
Doesn't matter.
anything. You really want to enjoy, you really enjoy. So
Correct.
that's what it is all about. So you have such a wonderful full plate over here, like all the lovely songs, and I know you said that your preference is to start off with a very good song, which I love myself, and I've sang a couple of times.
Wow.
Yeah,
That's wonderful.
ये गाया हुआ ये वाला, ये समा समा है ये प्यार का, right?
Right.
And you can fill in the gap. कौन सी मूवी थी पूनम? अभी हम डिस्कस कर.
जब जब फूल खिले, Shashi Kapoor and Nanda.
My
Right?
God, she does.
Can you imagine?
Lovely
Oh.
in that outfit. She's standing.
Oh. I think, that movie you can watch again and again and again, and you don't get fed up. It's just so good those
Yep.
times.
Now, this song kind of stuck out from that movie. I don't remember the songs though. I'm sure they're good ones.
Ek tha gul, ek thi bulbul. Remember there was another song he sang. He's a Kashmiri.
Yeah.
वो क्या कहते हैं वो लेक वो क्या बोट का वो
Okay.
होता है हाँ बोटमैन.
I remember the story. And then
Right, right.
from a very rich family.
Yes, yes, yes. She's and then the parents don't agree to the relationship क्योंकि वो status का problem आ जाता है.
And then she does marry him and he goes to Bombay. But then he has to adjust. So actually, it was a good, advanced movie for the times, I would say.
Yeah, I would say so
Times,
too.
very advanced because those things are happening, these things is happening now, but those things happened before as well. You know, these kind of situations. तो चलो आज तैयार हो गाने के लिए? Let's hear you.
Okay, let's start.
Yeah.
ये समा समा है प्यार का किसी के इंतजार का चुरा ले कहीं मेरा मौसम बहार का ये समा समा है प्यार का किसी के इंतजार का चुरा ले कहीं मेरा मौसम बहार का.
म्यूजिक नहीं आ रहा पूनम,
हाँ
म्यूजिक की आवाज नहीं आ रही. Did you do anything with the music?
Can you hear it now? No music?
अभी नहीं आ रही आवाज.
You're not hearing the music at all? Oh, shoot. All right.
We should have checked it before, but anyway.
Yeah, I know. Let's just see. Background effects. Why isn't it coming? If you can hear my voice, I suppose you can hear the music too.
Your voice, but आपने वो किया? Did you change the system or something? Because last Friday
I just moved to iPad, so I don't know why it's not coming. Where? I think the music should come. There should nothing I prevented it from.
आवाज
If you can hear my voice, you could be able to hear this music because it's coming in the background.
make it a little loud. That's
I think maybe I'll increase the volume. See if
Yeah,
you can hear it.
yeah.
But you can hear my singing, right?
Yeah, I
I'm
can
going to start
I can
and
hear.
tell me if you can hear it.
Okay. नहीं, म्यूजिक की बिल्कुल आवाज नहीं आ रही.
No, wait, I haven't started yet.
Okay. Okay.
Can you hear now?
The music, no. No.
Nothing?
No, I don't know what happened. You did the other day. बिल्कुल ठीक था.
Yeah.
You want to try that volume thing again, like in
Yeah.
maybe last? Did you do it on the?
Let me see if you can hear it from here.
Okay.
Can you hear it now?
No.
You speaker and the computer is sitting next to this. So is it something on your side?
No.
Let me bring the speaker. Let me see if you can hear it from here. Let me bring the speaker right next to me and see if you can hear
Yeah,
it.
maybe there's something.
Yeah, I'm surprised because there shouldn't be a problem.
आपको वो वीडियो में जाके ठीक करना पड़ेगा शायद जाके ना, जैसे मैंने पहले समझाया था. Maybe.
I'm surprised because it was sounding really good. And when I was on it.
I don't know why. What happened? आपने चेक किया ऑडियो वीडियो जो था मैंने बताया था ना
Can you
आपको?
hear now?
नो। ऑडियो प्रोफाइल में जाओ एंड देन चेक दैट ऑडियो प्रोफाइल, जूम बैकग्राउंड नॉइज रिमूवल, वो जो है ना।
You know what? After cut you, I'll go back to the you can't hear even the one sitting next to me. I'm hearing it fully well.
हाँ हमको नहीं आ रही, आई डोंट नो व्हाई इट्स नॉट कमिंग हियर। नॉर्मली एकदम आ जाती है आवाज। कमलेश जी, यू देयर, कैन यू
Can
हियर
you
मी?
hear it now?
नो, जस्ट लिटिल बिट साउंड, थोड़ा सा, दैट्स इट। नॉट द वे यू शुड कम राइट, राइट अवे। नहीं आ रही आवाज।
Let me move. Give me a minute.
हम्म। आपने वो तो नहीं कुछ कर दिया वहाँ पे जो वीडियो एंड ऑडियो का था, वो जो टच एनीथिंग देयर? अच्छा, अब आपकी आवाज़ भी नहीं आ रही। आई कांट हियर यू आल्सो।
Can you hear the sound?
No, I can hear you, but
But you can't hear the music?
no.
No? Then we
Hello, friend. We have a little technical problem today. Poonam usually comes and she has a music set, but today, in the beginning of the program, when we met before, we were not able to check. That time we were doing something else, and now we're having a little issue with the music. Um, so let's see what Poonam is doing right now. I just put it.
Okay. I hope you can hear me now.
I can hear you. Yes, I can hear
Yeah.
you. I can't see
You know,
you.
if you hear me, that's fine. Even if you see my thing frozen, at least you will. Oh, it says use video and I didn't click it on time. So you'll just have to, like, the music will come, but let's see if you can see. Thank you. Only thing is you can't see me
I
moving.
can't
That's
see you.
okay. So that you can hear me and you can hear my voice.
Yeah, that we can do. Yes.
That is more important today than anything else. I know. It's
That we
awful. I don't know what happened. I'll have to fix this sometime down the road.
Yeah, you have to. But it was fine on Friday when you came. It was,
No, I know. I don't know what happened. But anyways, so we are going to, you tell me that this movie we already discussed. So what do you think of all these old movie key settings?
I really like them. This song that you just sang, इसकी setting कितनी अच्छी थी when she was singing. Nanda was singing. I would say it was not a balcony, but outside a restaurant or something. It was a
She
nice
was
mood.
singing, yeah, for a few people. Right.
I think the moon was up there. It was all dark and near the water or something like that. It was seemed to be very good situation. Very nice.
Right.
And then she was wearing a very nice gown, very
Right.
nice outfit she was wearing. I remember, and she had her hair done very nicely. So it was a very nice situation when she sang the song. You know,
Right. You know what it is, and ultimately, it's not only the actress, but it's the the choreographer, the director,
yeah,
everybody, right? Everybody is involved in this, making the movie the way it is. It's and the lip singing has to be perfect, right?
yeah, exactly. And you have to have some background singer who sounds a little bit like you at least, and who's acting. Because sometimes there are some people. Good morning, friends. Usha ji, Kamlesh ji, Vibha ji. Thanks for joining. And please, can you share this program with your friends on your timeline so that more people can join and they can see they have the benefit of the singing, which beautiful singing. So sometimes you hear the voice totally different होती है and the गाना बिल्कुल different होता है किसी और की आवाज. Like even the male singers, the actors come and their voice doesn't match the song. When the song comes, the voice is totally different.
Right. You have to find a singer who's the closest to the
Yeah,
original
good
actor.
morning. That's what I'm saying. They have to get somebody. In this case, I think it was good. She sang and the voice, has to match.
Right.
Now they're more careful. Before they didn't care that much. There was not that.
Right.
So nowadays I'm more into this thing.
Right.
Anyway, so आप चलते हैं next वाले में चलते हैं ये रहे ना रहे हम.
Right.
That's a
Okay.
very good movie and a very nice song. And I believe the movie is Mamta, right?
Yes, it's an old movie. I think the song was sung twice. First by his Ashok Kumar's क्या कहते हैं lover. Then afterwards it was sung by Dharminder. So male version भी है. But of course, we'll sing the female version.
Yeah. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Welcome. And
A man who works hard sweats hard. Old Spice rider fights sweat, so Coach thought I was slack.
Okay. Oh no, wrong song. Wait a minute. ये तो
Wow, beautiful. Very, very nice. And ये इसकी मैं अभी थोड़ा देख रही थी कि just about this movie. I mean, आपने कहा ना the two, I think Ashok Kumar and the Minder, but I think the actress Suchitra Sen, I think it is, she plays double
सुचित्रा
role or
सेन
something.
पहले में आती है, फिर सेकंड में मुझे याद नहीं कि धर्मेंद्र के ऑपोजिट कौन था, दैट आई कांट रिमेम्बर.
She plays double role, mother and daughter or something like that. I mean, something like
ओके
that.
ओके ओके.
कुछ ऐसे ही कुछ है.
अच्छा
So
अच्छा.
it seems to be a good story, you
डबल
know.
रोल था, आर यू श्योर?
I think she becomes maybe somebody else, then बाद में कुछ और हो जाती है. I don't know.
ओके ओके ओके.
She is a double role, yeah. She plays two
अच्छा
different
अच्छा
roles
अच्छा.
होते हैं, या क्या जो भी है situation क्या थी. मैंने तो मूवी तो नहीं देखी है कि नहीं देखी. I think it was 1966, so it's
राइट 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 राइट
uh,
राइट
almost 50 years old, right?
राइट राइट.
And that time Ashok Kumar was on the top, and Dharminder was coming up. I think it was new,
या या.
young guy barrister बनता है, and I mean those stories, they were good stories those days. I think they had a good plot, not like
Good
nowadays.
plots, good plots.
Plots, you know, they had good story background. So that's what people likes to watch. Nowadays is a different thing.
Yeah, and you know those days, those songs like वो जंग रोने धोने वाले गाने could make you cry. You actually cried hearing them. The emotion was so strong in that Gana. Like the next one I'm planning to sing, Ruk Ja Raat. It is like her husband is ill or something or dying, right? Terminally ill होता है ना, कुछ ऐसे ही होता है उसका, दिल एक मंदिर. And that song literally made people cry. And it's a beautiful song.
Yes. Do you remember?
If it's either Mala Sinha or Meena Kumari. दोनों तो
Wait,
मीना कुमारी तो माहिर थी in crying lady, you know, crying queen.
wasn't they the one? Didn't they call them the tragedy queen or something?
Yes, yes, that's the word. I
Right?
said the wrong thing. Yeah, you said the right thing.
But
Tragedy.
most of the time in most of the movies, तो उसका हमेशा वही सीन, उसको वही रोल मिलते हैं जिसमें ट्रेजेडी होती है.
Yes, yes, yes.
I mean, in those days, and people liked it. They liked those kind of movies. जिसमें they have all kind of emotions showing.
Right, 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 right. वही
So
होता था कि उस टाइम यू नो यही मूवियाँ चलती थी और लोग रोते रोते आते. अभी तो यू डोंट वांट टू क्राई इन अ मूवी, यू सेड यू वांट टू हैव अ गुड टाइम, यू नो. Well, anyways.
that's what they give you. This is what they give you nowadays.
Right, right.
थोड़ा सुनते हैं फिर पूनम.
Okay, thank you. I will start.
क्लासिक बोल्ड करा.
lost you. I can't see you now. What happened?
You can't see me only. Okay, ये तो पता नहीं क्या हो गया आज वीडियो को.
Go out and come back again. Then
Okay.
because I can only hear your voice.
Oh, really?
Yeah, मैं-
Uh, let me see. Maintain.
yeah. Now you're there. Yeah.
You can see me?
Yeah. Now I can see you. Yeah.
Right. At least partially the photo is there. Okay.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
sorry, but it keeps telling me use video, and I somehow managed to not click it in time. I should click it in time, use video. Maybe that way I can come on your video. I'll keep trying it. Sooner or later you'll be able to see me.
Okay, that was amazing song. ये movie दिल एक मंदिर थी ना? I think it
Yes,
was.
yes.
Rajkumar and Meena Kumari. Like tragedy queen, like वो तो हमेशा. But they make a good couple. They made a good couple, Rajkumar and Meena Kumari.
Meena Kumari. Oh yeah, they were both tragedy में माहिर.
Both, he also played those kind of roles, emotional and
Correct.
very tragic type. And then
Yeah.
she was also in that one.
Right.
Another movie just may another song that you're going to be singing. They're also in that kind of. She's in a boat. अभी आएगा गाना, right? So
Right.
that situation. But very, very nice. Poonam बहुत अच्छा गाया है. Very, very. So far,
Thank you.
action's very amazing, and everybody's saying the sound. Your voice is so good, and you're singing
Oh,
so.
thank you. Unfortunately, video का लफड़ा है आज नहीं तो. I'm sorry.
Lot more.
I should have checked everything before, and actually, maybe I needed to, reset, and that would have taken too much time. So इसलिए मैं नहीं करना चाहती थी उस time पर कि reset करने में time बहुत लगेगा. So that's why I said forget it.
But try to do the thing that you did on Fridays.
Yeah, I will. I will go back to that.
Yeah. Now the movie next song you're going to be singing is, I think, it's for the movie Aja Pia. Is that a song? Sorry, Aja Pia.
Ajib Dastan, you mentioned Ajib Dastan. Should I do that first?
Yeah, okay, because I was talking about that one. I didn't want to name the song, but again, what I was trying to say was usme tragedy queen. It was Rajkumar and Meena Kumari and another actress Nadia.
Absolutely.
Was in love with her.
Nadira, right? Nadira, वो हमेशा vamp play करती थी.
Yeah, exactly. But she liked him, and I think he was engaged to her or something like that.
Oh,
I'm going in a boat. ये गाना boat में गाया हुआ है.
right.
Beautiful song, beautiful. Like one of those songs that you can never forget. Meaning it's always
There, right?
there. Like yes, जो पहले वाला गाया था ये समा, and ये वाला गाना, these two songs, somehow I like them. I like them a lot because they're very. You can never forget those kind of songs. I don't know what it is. It's my mind always there. I like the songs a lot. So let's hear you sing this one. इसको गा दो.
Okay, I know this you mentioned last time also कि तेरा favorite है तूने गाया क्यों नहीं तो आज फिर इसलिए मैं
Wow, I love this song. मैं सारा सोच, you know what? If you really analyze these songs, listen to it, सारी stories में आ जाती है.
Yes, you're so right. And can you believe I've not seen the movie or I have seen and I've forgotten?
थोड़ी आवाज तेज करो अपनी, थोड़ी स्लो आ रही है.
Acha, acha.
Your voice, your voice.
My voice, can you hear me
Yeah,
now?
little bit better, but थोड़ा सा ऊंचा कर लो. Before it was a little bit louder. What I'm saying is that if you listen to the song, मैं वही सुन रही थी कि मैं क्या बिल्कुल सारी story, you can really see that she likes him, and she's the way she's saying it, because they're all in the boat.
Yeah.
Song is being sung, and he's sitting there in the middle, and although he likes her, she likes him, but he's obligated to marry Nadira
Right.
because of family pressure जो भी है. तो this movie was from 1960. Can you believe that? 1960 की movie है.
I cannot believe it's that old a movie.
And the song and the music, I mean, it can be now, even now, people dance to this song, you know.
Yeah, they do.
Couples वगैरह देखो, when you go to this Indian parties वगैरह में, they usually put
ये
this kind
गाना
of
जरूर
song.
होता है उसमें, right?
Yeah, they put the song when the couple, they want couples to dance, they put the song on all the time.
Right.
They do. So it's a beautiful song, and I really, the music is upbeat, very nice, very nice. Um, I mean, I think Shankar Jackson या फिर किसने करा है, music का है, लेकिन it's beautiful,
Unbelievable.
very nice, very nice. So अब now I'm leaving it up to you because we are moving different direction में सारा हमारा जो number wise थे सब गड़बड़ होगी.
Sorry.
No.
Acha, फिर let's go according to our list. So we'll go to Aja Pia then next.
Yeah. Okay, that's nice. आवाज नहीं आ रही अब पुनः.
Yeah, I haven't started yet.
Oh, okay.
I am just
got
looking.
worried.
Yeah.
I got worried. मैं क्या क्या हो गया?
No. I know with all the problems you've been having, right? I hope we have found the karaoke. Found it. I was just looking for it.
Wow, wow. It also brought me back. Like I think Rajesh Khanna and Asha Parekh.
Asha Parekh, that's right.
Asha. I mean, he was actually new at that time. Before Aradhana.
Right.
He was getting his, like it was new, and she was already. I think she was already established. So he was getting, you know, getting established that time.
Right, right, right.
He became popular, and he became, he became more popular after that. And music was by R.D. Burman. Singer was Lata. You are most of the songs that you are singing are from Lata sang.
Yes, yes. Today it's more Lata Mangeshkar, and then there is, a little modern song which I normally don't attempt, but this one I trying Char Kadam from the movie PK. That one is Shreya Ghoshal and Shan. It's actually mostly male, female ka kam hai part, but I will sing the whole thing myself.
Yeah, that's a very good one. Yes, but I think I've seen the movie. PK. Was it Amir Khan in it?
Yes, you're right. You are very good. Your memory is perfect with movies.
I don't know how
I swear.
I don't know how I remembered, but I've seen the movie. मैंने देखी हुई है. That's
और
why.
क्या आपको स्टोरियां याद रहती हैं? That is commendable.
You know what? When you were singing that time, I am thinking at the same time I'm listening. Then I remember if मैंने देखी कि नहीं देखी. Then I started thinking कौन था. Like start putting this thing together.
Wow,
You know,
that's amazing.
little bit help from Chat GPT doesn't harm you too.
It doesn't hurt, right?
So anyway, well, they tell you the whole scenario as well. So then but still the movies you still remember, and I like Rajesh Khanna. I think he was a good actor. Passed
Yes,
away.
he was.
Um,
He was, I hate to admit it, but he was my heartthrob. I used to get crazy over Rajesh Khanna. Those were the good old days.
although this movie might have been very popular, but the really movie that in which he really really became popular was Aradhana.
Ah,
With
yes,
Urmila
yes.
Tagore. Because सारे गाने उसके कमाल के थे. If you see the way they were, when he started when he was on a I think on a jeep and she was on a train, that song was so good. कितने अच्छे अच्छे गाने गाए. I mean, I
Yes, yes.
don't know if you've seen the movie or not. Have you seen it?
Yes, I have. Aradhana, I saw, I think, 3 times.
Me too. I saw it about 3 4 times, and that scene when she's reading the book and he's going with his friend, jeep में जा रहा है. I mean, amazing songs. Really, really good. Really love them. But anyway, this is Radhana का गाना तो नहीं है, but we are singing. आप कौन सा गा रहे हो आप?
Oh, we were talking Aradhana, तो मैंने Aradhana का track तैयार किया. But as you wish, I can sing Char Kadam first. I mean, not a problem.
I love Radhana का कर दो.
Okay. So let's sing for Aradhana since it's here.
Yeah. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. अब देखो ना टाइम पता नहीं चलता. It's already 11:30 पर हमारा बीच में थोड़ी गड़बड़ हो गई थी ना. So there's some songs which are left over which we didn't do today. So save them and we're gonna do the continue with the.
Yes, and I will try and fix this video thing on my thing because it's so annoying and for me too because I'm seeing myself as a still figure and I can't, see anything. I know I can't see my movements.
ऐसे मैं कितनी फोटो लूं पूनम ऐसे.
I'm sorry about this whole mess up. I thought we were doing the right thing by moving it to iPad, but it turned out this. I think I need to reset it and it'll be fine. It just needed to like कभी-कभी freeze होता था ना. So that's what happened. So, but I enjoyed. At least I got an opportunity to sing majority of my songs. And yes, we will meet very soon again. I hope all this problem is corrected by then. And we'll do a trial before we start, so you can tell me if it's working or not working.
I thought कभी Friday को हम आए थे तो ठीक था.
Yeah, it was fine. I am myself. I'm shocked at what is happening.
I thought it's the same setting. आपने कहा था change नहीं करना.
Exactly. I just opened the computer and plugged it in. That's it. Nothing else. Well, it just needed to be reset. कभी-कभी क्या होता है ना? The updates, you need updates, and this may needed the updates. Yeah, because it's a Microsoft, so it might need the updates.
Right, that is true. So, but anyway, हमने तो आपकी आवाज सुनी, गाना सुने.
Thank you.
People love the song and शाली जी ने बड़ा लिखा है आपके बच्ची बहुत अच्छी है. Even कमलेश जी ने लिखा है very nice. Everybody's writing. And we really had, and like I said, we're going to have another session pretty soon. अभी शैली जी के साथ भी आ रहा है pretty soon, and Vibaji is coming this coming Friday.
Very nice, very nice.
Some other singers too, and one time I really want to have a group of people and एक गाना सब गाएं 5-6 जैसे शुक्राना में करते हैं.
ठीक है.
Songs also we'll do that. We'll form a group
Very
like that.
nice.
सारे अपने friends लेकर आओ. Let them listen to your beautiful voices. And we'll organize that too. And I want to have a nice, I want you to all have a nice day. All of you joined us today. Vibaji, Shali ji, Kamlesh ji, Usha ji, Poonam ji is another Poonam who joined. So everybody, thanks a lot to everyone. And please forward to your friends, share with your friends. And so do you, so Poonam, you also share.
Hanji.
We'll schedule again pretty soon. Okay?
Okay, thank you. Thank you for everything. And thank you everybody who listened to us. And please keep listening. I will always tell you that she's the best at what she does. And she gives an opportunity to us. We have to thank her first before we thank anybody else. Thank you again.
Thank you so much. And we'll see you on Friday with Vibaji.
Yes, yes. Thank you.
Bye, everyone. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.